Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a streaming tip video regarding how you can make your clips from your games straight into TikToks. This was requested by a guy on my TikTok, so I wanted to make it to a YouTube video to kind of deep dive a bit more on it. So let's hop right into it and see what we can do. So to start with, we need to have a project, right? So let's say that we have this clip of me playing Aim Labs, and this is 1920 by 1080. We already rescaled it so that it's changed, right? So what we gotta do here is we have to, of course, have a control where we are at this part. Then we gotta copy twice. So now we have 3 copies of this single clip. What we're gonna do now is we have to figure out what is what. So this one is one of the bottom ones. So this one is the top one. So we can put the colors on here just to make sure that we remember which one is what. And so we know that this one is the top part. So this is our gameplay. We want that to be about here, right? You can actually remove this and then now you know that this one right here, oh wait, yeah, this one is gonna be the back as well, right? So this is the one we need to blur, as you can see now. They always have to be moved a little bit off center. You can decide whether you want this to be entirely blurred or not, but if you go up to the Open FX tab and press reflect and do this, like so, now you just have this weird background behind you, right? Which is fine because you don't really need, it's just to fill up the void and the black space spots on the background. Now what we got next now is then this picture or image or video, and this is where we go to the Fusion tab. And we go here and then we press the Eclipse button, and you can actually, it actually outlines a perfect circle for you. And now you actually have your circle that you can use. Don't mind me looking dead on this one, but there you go. You have the the entire thing if you just, you do like so. We switch those around and put this on top. And now you will have, basically you have your clip, right? And then you export it. Don't you? Wait. Oh yeah, we'll be fine here, right? Then you usually clip in it in however you want it to be, right? And then here, I think we're fine, right? We're not fine. So what we need to do here, again, we need to not mess too much around with that. I zoomed a bit too much before, so do it like so. And we move this a bit to the side like that. Move to the side, and there you go. Now we basically have a TikTok, you can use this like that, and then you press here. You call it TikTok tutorial. You don't call it that, I call it that. Then you add it to your render location. In this case, let's just put it on. I have a hard drive where I save stuff like this. So this, and then and now that that's done, we can actually export it to TikTok. But if you want to know how you can export it to TikTok, let me know in the comment section below and I will make a video about that. It's a simple process with Dropbox and uploading it to that through one of your profiles down to your phone. If you would like that video, let me know in the comments below. And if we hit 10 or 20 likes on this video, I will make the video ASAP and get it out to you guys right away. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you really enjoyed this tutorial. I'm still quite new to tutorials, but I really wanted to make this one. It's a really neat thing to be able to do with your TikToks if you can, because it provides a lot of quality. So smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.